Hello everybody, this is Master Carlos Colony, one of the instructors for the Newer Kids Code program. Today, we'll be going over a simple program that you can make yourselves, and it's called Layers. So as you can see here, we have our different sprites. We have our cylinder, or sort of rectangular prism right there, with a hole in the center, a rectangular prism, and a cube. So as you can see, the backdrop on the stage basically has some instructions on the top. So what it says is press BOPY, and you'll see later these are the keys on your keyboard to bring one of these shapes to the top. Now when they say top, it literally means to the top of the screen so that you could see it above everything else. So we go to our events, drag and drop when the play button is clicked, go to motion, drag and drop the go to XY, and it'll send it to the origin. Point in direction, and for this we do 45. For this one we do 135, 225 for sprite 3, and 315 for sprite 4. Okay? Then we go to control, click on the forever block, drag and drop that, go back to motion, move 10 step block, we've moved that, and it's the same for all the other sprites. So we change it from 10 to 5, and we put in another block that says if on edge bounce. Now we go back to our events. Now the spacebar is basically going to initiate a function that will allow the blocks to go back to the origin and point 90 degrees, which is basically in a straight line. So we go and drag the when spacebar is clicked. Remember, you click on the arrow, click whatever key you want. When space key pressed, go to origin, which is the middle of the stage, and point in direction 90 degrees. So we go to motion, drag and drop go to XY right there, and then we go up, point in direction 90, don't change anything. Now, you may have noticed this right here, so these are the BOPY keys that we're talking about. So you go to events, when space is clicked. Now remember, click on the arrow and you can click on any other key you want selected, right? And for this one, for this sprite, we choose O. So when O is clicked right there, go back, go to looks, drag and drop, go to front, and it'll be on top of all the other blocks. So we do the same thing for each of these sprites, except this one will have the Y key, right? This one will have the B key, and this one will have the P key. So let's see what happens when we run the program. So as you can see, as of right now, all the blocks are just moving in different directions and they're bouncing on the edges as they reach them. Let's see what happens if I press the spacebar now. So the blocks came back into the original order, except now they're going from left to right or right to left, and they're going in 90 degrees, which is basically, as I said before, it's a straight line. So what happens if I were to press B? So if I press B, then you see sprite 3 pops up at the top. If I press O, then sprite 1 pops up. If I press P, then the cube, the pink cube, pops up. And if I press Y, then the yellow cube pops up. So that's how you create a program to basically demonstrate the layers function within Scratch. Click on the like button below if you liked the video. You leave your comments in the comment section below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more information. This is Master Carlos Colony. Thank you for watching.